Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe I made cakelets, small bites of cakes. In Indonesia we call it pukis. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye!
Have you seen that?
What did he really say?
In a bowl, this is 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. Mix it until completely combined. In a separate bowl, this is 1 cup of sugar, and we're gonna crack 4 eggs into it, and we're gonna mixer it until completely combined. You want to mix it until thicken or fluffier. Completely combined, thicken or fluffier. Like so. Now we're gonna add our flour mixture a little at a time and mix it with either spatula or wooden spoon until completely combined. Now we're gonna add in 300 milliliter of coconut milk with 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Until completely combined again. Now cover it with cling wrap and let stand room temperature for 30 minutes at least before you start making the cakes. Now after rested, preheat your mold on low heat. Brush with peanut oil or melted butter or margarine and just pour some of the batter onto the mold. At this point, you can cover with the lid and wait until its bubbles appear, or you can and then sprinkle with whatever topping you want, or you can sprinkle the topping now and then close the lid. It's up to you. Like so. I'm just gonna cover it and cook for 5 to 8 minutes.